Our Father and our God, we're just so thankful for your loving kindness and mercies and how you stretch out your hand to us each and every day. Through whatever goes on in our lives, Lord, you still love us and you're still there in our corner, still doing what you do for us. The very air that we breathe, Lord, comes directly from you. So we ask that you would allow us to come together as a group and to be there for each other, to love each other, and to care. Just reach out. So be with this gathering.
These things I have spoken to you, that my joy may remain in you, and that your joy may be full. These are words of Jesus found in John 15:11. That my joy may remain in you. There is no greater joy than the joy that comes from a personal relationship with Jesus. Amen. He supplies all our needs and is always there for us. So naturally, we are going to feel depressed. When we're hurt, we're going to feel bad. But you know what? Even when I'm in my greatest pain, when I'm feeling depressed, when I'm low, I can still feel joy because I thank God, because I look back from where I came from. I look to where God is in my life. And when I'm in pain, I think about the gruesome, horrific pain that Jesus went through when he was being led to Calvary. There is no way in the world we can ever go through pain like that. So I thank God and thank him for the joy of healing me, the joy of being in my life, and the joy of being able to still praise and thank him through the good times, the bad, the pain, and everything. Because I don't know where I would be without God, and I thank God that I'm not where I used to be.
All right.
Fruit of love and kindness has incredible power.
Right.
It is a witness in and of itself on what God is like. Imagine for what our homes, our churches, our place of work, our neighborhoods would be if we actually show kindness